How to turn on or off crossfade in Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device and log into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then you will find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. After that, in here, click on Playback, which is the third option. After you have pressed on Playback, in here you'll find Crossfade. To turn on Crossfade, make sure white circle is in 1 to 12 seconds. And if you want to turn it off, make sure white circle is on the left side and it's 0. This is how to turn on or off Crossfade in Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.